And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the announcement of results of our final contest of the 10 Decathlon contest, the engineering contest. To make the presentation of the engineering contest awards, we are pleased to welcome two of our sustaining level, highest level sponsors, Michelle Orlak, Vice President of Solution Marketing with Schneider Electric, and Tammy Bui, Strategic Communications Manager with Edison International. Thank you both for your continued sponsorship of the Solar Decathlon.
Hi there. I have been carrying my umbrella on stage for each award of the ceremony of Solar Decathlon since 2009, when Schneider became a sustained sponsor. This is to show that despite heavy rains that have been happening during Solar Decathlon competitions in Madrid, in Paris, in China, and also in Washington, D.C., each time the energy balance has been positive, demonstrating that solar solutions you have been developing are always valid, whatever the climate. Here in California, I took my umbrella to protect me from the sun. Maybe today it's not the situation, and maybe I do not open it because otherwise I will attract rain. Schneider Electric is proud to be here as a sustained sponsor, together with 100 volunteers, helping the US Department of Energy organization. Schneider Electric is a global specialist in energy management and automation, with 170,000 employees around the world in more than 100 countries. We are ranking number 9 among top corporate global corporations in terms of corporate social responsibility. I would just say thank you for your enthusiasm, thank you for your energy. Thanks to you, as our company slogan says, life is on. Thank you.
Good morning. At Edison International, we are focused on the future. We safely provide reliable, clean energy to the people we serve so that they can experience all the incredible things life has to offer. And speaking of incredible, it has been a pleasure and honor to be alongside 14 of the most creative, technically innovative, and beautiful homes in the future that many of us have ever seen. In fact, I brought 2 of my little ones last weekend. They are 1 and 3. And so I have to admit they were more concerned about how hot it was and how many more gummy bears they could eat. But I will say it was absolutely incredible for me to be able to share with them what is possible. So thank you, decathletes, for showing that to them. And so it has been an honor for me personally to have been a part of this, but for all of the Edison International employees to have been a partner with the Department of Energy, thank you, and thank you to all of you incredible students in the Department of Energy. We believe our future is as bright as the sun that powers all of your homes, and we look forward to working together to create a clean energy world for all of us. On behalf of Edison International, congratulations.
And now, let's get on with the contest announcement. For the Solar Decathlon Engineering Contest, a jury of professional engineers evaluated how well the team's houses represent the best in modern engineering. In their evaluations, they considered engineering innovation, functionality, and reliability. They also looked at the overall efficiency of the engineering solution and the quality of the team's documentation.
The engineering jury congratulates every team for their success in designing and delivering their competition entries for the Solar Decathlon 2015. Your homes exhibit a dazzling display of innovative and integrated engineering solutions. Here is a list of the many systems the jury saw that so impressed them. Disaster-resistant houses, panelized construction, a variety of exciting insulation materials, impressively thermal-resistant windows, a greenhouse, gray water and rainwater collection and treatment systems, radiant heating and cooling systems, evaporative cooling systems, lots of heat pump technologies, phase change material for energy storage, a freeze-tolerant solar water heating system, thermal energy storage using water tanks, integrated PV and water heating, PV integrated into awnings and building glass, an electrical system with both AC and DC distribution, and smart home energy monitoring, controls, and dashboard systems. The jury congratulates all of you. Ultimately, the jury's job was to evaluate and score all the teams. In the top 3 places, the jury chose teams that are a step above the rest of the competition, each for different reasons. And among these 3 teams, it is a very tight contest.
So, now, the first place team in the engineering contest impressed the jury by doing everything so well. It started with documentation, which included high-quality drawings and outstanding analysis. They used multiple modeling tools to inform their engineering designs and conducted physical tests to confirm performance. The building systems reflect the same thoughtful and deliberate approach. The house is designed with a best-in-class envelope and passive design features that drastically reduce energy requirements. Efficient and proven heat pump technologies coupled with an innovative air distribution system and high-efficiency energy recovery ventilator should produce outstanding occupant comfort and a healthy indoor environment. In addition, the house is designed to be resilient in time of disaster, delivering emergency power and hot power even when the utility grid is down. This team is the most successful at balancing innovation, functionality, reliability, and energy efficiency to hit that sweet spot of engineering design. The first place award for engineering in the Solar Decathlon 2015 goes to Team Stevens Institute of Technology.
Well, thank you all so much. I don't really know how I'm going to produce a whole speech right now. Can't tell you quite how I feel. All I can say is this really is something, this was really a whole team effort here. Every single person you're looking at up here deserves this award. We really put our entire, all our hearts and souls into this project. I cannot thank you guys enough. First and foremost, this is our structural engineer, our head project engineer, Christine. I think we all put a lot of hours into this project, but I can't tell you how many more hours Christine put in than anybody figuring out the engineering behind this project.
You too.
So we are honored to be here. Thank you so much, Richard King. Thank you guys so much, the entire Solar Decathlon. I cannot tell you how amazing an opportunity this is. I think right here, all of us here, could not be more set up to go into the world and to try and figure out this problem that we have to fix. Thank you all so much.